Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And today it's all about making taco night easier. And this episode starts right now. Okay guys, welcome back. Today it's all about comfort food. Today I'm going to teach you how I can make taco night easier. We are making my famous taco soup. You heard it right, taco soup. So come on over, let's check out the ingredients. Okay guys, so here we have the ingredients. I'm using 1 pound of chopped beef. I love the texture of chopped beef versus ground beef. You can use ground beef if you'd like. I've had this soaking all night in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice because I'm all about tenderizing meat. I have cilantro. I have a chopped onion. I have a chopped red pepper. And I chose orange and red today for color. That's beautiful color. A package of frozen corn. Believe it or not, guys, frozen vegetables can be your best friend. It's really, really very versatile. I have 2 cans, 2 14-ounce cans of black beans. I've got a 4-ounce can of green chilies, and this one is medium. You could use mild or hot. I chose medium. I also have here a 20-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and today we're using taco blend cheese to garnish. I also have a beautiful avocado we're going to cut into today, some lemon to garnish, some cilantro, and we also have some green onion for our dish. And of course, we are using our Stovetopyumyum Special blend seasoning, which is very versatile. Then we're going to head over to the stove with some VO juice. I'll meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I have a pot here with medium-high heat with a tablespoon of VO juice, vegetable oil. And we are going to start sweating our onions. Medium onion, yum. I'm going to put the green peppers at the end to give the dish color. Beautiful color you'll see. All right, so now we have our chopped beef. Yum. Just going to sear our chopped beef. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of stovetop yum yum mix. 1, 2. Grab your measuring spoons. I've done this so many times that I don't really need one. I can pretty much eyeball it, so. The only time I'm precise with measuring spices is when I'm baking. Because you have to be precise. Ooh, it's starting to smell so good. And you always have a little fat in the chopped beef, so. So when I come back, guys, our meat's going to be beautifully nice and seared. We're going to add the rest of our vegetables, and you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now that our meat is ready, as you can see, let me give you a little close-up here, our vegetables. I have a little secret for you. You're probably wondering, she's making soup. You're probably wondering, she's making soup, and she hasn't mentioned adding any liquid. Watch this. I'll show you my little secret. And our black beans. Adding our black beans, our corn, our tomato. Yum. There's liquid in tomatoes, so I'm going to make a nice chunky taco soup. Taco night has never been easier, you guys. This is really so delicious, so chunky. Look at that. Wow. Our red and orange peppers, which is what I chose today. That pot is starting to look like a fiesta, you guys. Green onion. Boy, this is really starting to look like a fiesta in here. Good goodness, gosh. Oh my God, look at that. How beautiful is that? So beautiful. our medium green chilies. Yum. Cilantro. Now we're gonna whip it up. No. Okay, guys. So there's already liquid in it, but we're gonna add a little bit more. This is quick. Just gonna toast these up real quick. Will be crisp. Our taco soup. Look at that. Let me get another close up. Look at that simmer. And we are gonna plate and taste, and that's how easy it was. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys. So look at this close up. Look how beautiful that is and how simple. Now we're gonna garnish, the fun part. I did open the avocado and they're beautiful, so we're gonna put some avocado in there. Give it a little, I love building flavors. So you can put some salt on your avocado and save a little bit of the green onion, put on there. So beautiful, you guys. We're gonna grab some of our taco blend cheese that I decided to use today. A little bit of the taco blend cheese. This is so amazing and so easy to make. Your family's gonna love this, you guys. I have some coarsely chopped cilantro for garnish. Let's put a little bit of, let's put lemon, put 2 lemon wedges, and we'll put an extra one there for the beauty of it, because I love everything to look beautiful. And of course, we're going to add some extra texture with our beautiful tortilla chips. Tortilla chips. Look really pretty here. A little more cheese. Oh God. Yum. That. And there you have it, you guys. Our taco soup. Does not get any easier than that. I see the cameraman drooling over there. You want to go come and taste? Cameraman's always coming. Say hello.
What's up, everybody?
All right, guys. So now we are going to taste this beauty. I'm going to grab some cheese, some of our mixture, and some avocado. It's hot. And of course, a little piece of our tortilla for crunch. We'll let the cameraman try it. How's that for a yummy bite, you guys? Get a close up on that. Yum.
Looks good.
It's hot. Very hot, so we should go on it. See what you think. How's that for taco soup?
That's good.
See, I just wanted to prove my point, cameraman, that you don't even need sour cream.
She was right. I thought you needed sour cream. She was right.
I'm a diehard. I love sour cream, but I wanted to prove that you don't need sour cream for this dish.
It's real good.
Although it'll add a creamy texture, it'll heat the palate. The chilies are not that hot.
No.
Try it.
Excellent. It's real good.
Wow.
It is. It's good.
It tastes like a taco in your mouth.
It does. Real good.
You have the crunchy component of tortillas, but the crispy tortillas adds texture as if you were eating a taco. Feel free to put more lemon in it if you'd like.
It's excellent.
It's almost like a Mexican chili.
Yeah.
So good. Look at how cheesy that is. Goodness. You can, the chunkiness of the tomato, the green chilies, corn, how it pops, the sweetness of the corn.
Makes you want more and more.
Oh, and with that special blend seasoning, all you need, I'm telling you, this is off the chain. This is
She did it again.
Yum, yum.
She did it again.
You try it again.
That's awesome, baby. Hot. That's delicious.
guys, your family's gonna love this. You have that creaminess of the avocado. So delicious. If you want to omit, if you want to not put the tortilla chips in to add crunch, that's fine. You don't have to. So you can make it a little more keto friendly. For those of you that are watching your carbs. So listen, guys, our beautiful aprons, our new designs. I have my other designs that I'm very proud of, my aprons. The Au revoir, I love you, Los Quiero apron, I love as well. Yes. We've got our shirts for men, for women. So don't forget to take advantage of the promo code Stovetop. Will save you 10% on your entire order. And in the state of, in the entire order.
Yeah.
And guys, one of the most important things of all my episodes, which all my followers know, is my two main ingredients, which are
passion and love.
That's right. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate passion and love in any recipe that you make, your recipe will not fail. I promise you that your recipe will not fail. I live through passion and love. And I feel like that's a great way to live. Be passionate about what you do. Never stop dreaming. And always do it with love in your heart. And you guys, as I always say, don't forget, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe. But don't forget the bell, so that way you don't miss any episodes. And as always, my loves. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetopyumyum, I will be back, and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.